Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the high-end audio world with a review of the Tannoy Stirling 3LZ Special Edition speakers. These promise a lot, but do they deliver? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the build and design of these speakers. The Tannoy Stirling 3LZ Special Edition features an unconventional yet classic design with an 85.5 cm tall cabinet that houses a large dual-concentric driver array. This design choice allows for some impressive specifications, including high sensitivity and strong low-end extension. The cabinet construction is neat and well-made, with a luxurious oiled walnut veneer finish. Despite their weight, they're relatively easy to position, making them suitable for most rooms. Now, let's talk about the sound. These speakers certainly have their strengths, delivering a direct and punchy sound with impressive integration and even dispersion. Stereo imaging is solid, providing a focused and stable soundstage. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The sonic presentation can feel congested and compressed, lacking the subtlety and refinement expected at this price point. The mid-range sounds lean and lacks natural warmth, while the bass performance, although deep, lacks definition and grip. In conclusion, while the Tannoy Stirling 3LZ Special Edition speakers have some good qualities, they ultimately fall short of delivering the sonic sophistication expected from high-end speakers. They may appeal to some, especially with their classic design. But audiophiles seeking top-tier performance might want to look elsewhere. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, happy listening.